Most pistols fail when dirt, heat, and stress take over. But what if one handgun was built specifically for chaos? Today, we reveal why Israel's Masada 9mm is quietly outperforming famous brands and why experts are calling it one of the most reliable pistols ever made. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. What if we told you that one of the world's most reliable modern handguns isn't American, European, or widely advertised at all? Instead, it comes from Israel, a nation where weapons are designed not for comfort, but for survival. The Masada 9mm pistol didn't arrive with flashy marketing or Hollywood fame. It arrived with something far more dangerous: battlefield logic. Designed by Israel Weapon Industries, the Masada was created under the assumption that it would be dropped, abused, overheated, and exposed to sand, dust, and stress and still be expected to work. This shocking design philosophy separates it from many commercial pistols that are optimized for range performance rather than real-world combat reliability. The Masada was never meant to impress civilians first. It was built to survive the environments where failure means death. That mindset explains why defense experts are now paying close attention. Quietly, without headlines, the Masada has been proving itself where it matters most, in harsh operational conditions. To understand the Masada's reliability, you must first understand Israel's weapons doctrine. Israeli firearms are not built around luxury or aesthetics. They are engineered around one brutal question: will this weapon work when everything goes wrong? The Masada reflects decades of Israeli combat experience, where sandstorms, heat, and urban warfare are daily realities. Unlike pistols designed for controlled environments, the Masada prioritizes mechanical simplicity and durability. Its internal components are intentionally rugged, reducing failure points under stress. The frame design absorbs recoil efficiently, reducing wear over time. Israeli engineers also focused on consistency, ensuring that the pistol performs the same way whether it's new or heavily used. This design approach mirrors Israel's broader military strategy: fewer surprises, maximum dependability. When analysts examine why the Masada rarely malfunctions even in extreme testing, the answer isn't luck, it's doctrine. Reliability is not an added feature, it is the foundation of the weapon itself. One of the Masada's most impressive strengths lies in its striker-fired system, engineered for consistent ignition under adverse conditions. Unlike more complex firing mechanisms, the Masada's system reduces mechanical friction and tolerance stacking. This results in smoother cycling and fewer stoppages. The slide geometry is optimized to channel debris away from critical components, a small detail that makes a massive difference in dirty environments. Even the recoil spring assembly is designed to maintain performance after extended firing sessions. Experts have noted that the Masada maintains accuracy and cycling consistency even after prolonged exposure to dust and heat. This is not accidental engineering, it is deliberate. Israeli designers assume maintenance opportunities may be limited. Therefore, the pistol must keep running with minimal intervention. This is why many professionals describe the Masada as boringly reliable, and in combat, boring is exactly what you want. Another key factor behind the Masada's reliability is its modular construction. The pistol was designed with adaptability in mind, allowing users to change grip frames and configurations without compromising structural integrity. This modularity is not about customization trends, it's about mission adaptability. Different hand sizes, gloves, and operational roles demand flexibility. The Masada achieves this while keeping the core firing system intact and untouched. Unlike some modular pistols that introduce complexity, the Masada isolates modular components from critical reliability systems. This ensures that adaptability does not equal fragility. Analysts often point out that this balance is extremely difficult to achieve. Yet, Israel's experience in equipping diverse forces helped solve this problem. The result is a pistol that adapts to the operator without sacrificing performance, a rare achievement in modern handgun design. Reliability also means durability over time, and the Masada excels here. The slide is treated with advanced protective coatings designed to resist corrosion, wear, and environmental damage. This is especially critical in coastal and desert regions. The barrel design enhances longevity while maintaining consistent ballistic performance. Field reports indicate that the Masada retains operational accuracy even after high round counts. This long-term durability makes it attractive not only to military forces but also to law enforcement agencies that demand weapons with extended service lives. In an era where equipment budgets are under pressure, a handgun that lasts longer without increased maintenance becomes a strategic asset. The Masada is not designed to be replaced quickly, it is designed to endure. What truly sets the Masada apart is how quietly it has gained respect. Unlike iconic pistols that rely on brand legacy, the Masada has grown through performance-based reputation. Trainers, evaluators, and defense professionals who test weapons objectively have begun acknowledging its consistency. In side-by-side evaluations, the Masada often matches or exceeds more famous competitors in reliability trials. Yet, it remains under the radar, which paradoxically strengthens its credibility. Weapons that succeed without hype tend to do so for one reason only: they work. This quiet rise is why experts now describe the Masada as a sleeper in the global handgun market. Another overlooked element is ergonomics under stress. The Masada's grip angle, texture, and balance were designed for control during rapid, repeated use. This reduces user-induced malfunctions, a major but often ignored reliability factor. A weapon can be mechanically perfect, yet fail due to poor handling under pressure. The Masada minimizes this risk. Its controls are intuitive and accessible without excessive movement, reducing errors during high-stress situations. This human-centered engineering reflects Israel's operational experience, where simplicity saves lives. From a strategic perspective, the Masada represents Israel's broader defense export philosophy. Rather than flooding markets with variants, Israel focuses on refined, proven systems. The Masada's reliability strengthens Israel's reputation as a producer of practical, combat-ready weapons. This matters globally, as nations increasingly seek equipment that performs consistently rather than impresses visually. The Masada fits perfectly into this emerging demand for function over form. As modern warfare evolves, sidearms remain critical tools of last resort. Reliability at that moment is non-negotiable. The Masada's design acknowledges this reality. It does not promise perfection, it promises dependability. That distinction is crucial. In defense analysis, weapons that work well enough every time are often more valuable than those that work brilliantly sometimes. This is where the Masada quietly dominates. The Masada 9mm is not trying to replace legends. It is building its own legacy through consistency, durability, and intelligent design. Its rise is not loud, but it is undeniable. As more professionals test and adopt this pistol, its reputation continues to grow. The Masada proves that true reliability does not need marketing, it reveals itself through performance. If you found this analysis valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Warvex Intelligence, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into modern military technology. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the Masada is the future of combat sidearms?